In this presentation, I'll be explaining how simple pattern matching algorithm works. Here in this program, we are going to check for the given pattern in the main string. If a pattern found, we are going to replace it by replacement string. We need three inputs. One is str, that is our main string. Second one is the pattern, which you are going to check that in the main string. And the third, if pattern found, you are going to replace it by replacement string. str, pat and rep are the three string inputs. The result either has got character from the str or the replacement string. So that is answer string. Okay. To keep track of this operation, we need these many index variables. M and C pointing to str. M is the end of the pattern string. C is the beginning of the pattern string. M is moving, C is constant. I is marking for pattern, J for answer, K for replacement. Okay. Lightly I will tell how this works. Now the first character of the main string is compared with the pattern. If they are same, check the next character. If fails, copy the first character, that is A here. You start comparing the again from the first character with the next character. A and A are same. Go to the next character, but next character failed. So copy A. Again you start from here only. A and A are compared. A of this are compared. A and A are same. Go to the next character. B. B of this one, B of this one. If same, go to the next character. C of this, C of this. If same, go to the next character. Proceed till you reach end of line character, end of the string character and pattern. ABC is encountered. The beginning and end mark is also ABC. So pattern found. Instead of copying ABC, copy PQ. PQ. Okay. The next character. As we reached here, you have to bring that pointer to the beginning place, pointing to the first character. The next character to compare is B. B and A are compared, are not same. So A is copied. Next character is B. Again the first character is compared. A and B are compared. A and B are not same. Okay. So here it is B. Next character is not same. So B. Next not same. C. Next not same. D. Next not same. A. Next lastly you have to end up with null character. This is how the program works. I will trace this program. As I told, I need these many variables. I to point pattern, C and M to point str, K for replacement, J for answer, flag to indicate whether pattern found in the string or not. So initialized to 0. All these are set to 0. Okay. This process has to be repeated till end of line, end of string character is encountered. While str of C is not equal to 0. C value is 0. Str of C, that is A, is it equal to null? This is not null. So repeated. Now checks str of M and pat of I. Str of M value 0. Str of 0 is A. Pat of I value 0. Pat of 0 is A. This A is compared with this A. This statement is true. If so, I is incremented, M is incremented. I is incremented by 1. M is also incremented by 1. M is now 1. I is also 1. Okay. This part is false. The next character is not null. B is not null. So it is repeated. Process of checking for the pattern is repeated. Okay. As this part is true, this is false. Again repeated. Str of C is it null? Str of C, C is 0. The character in that place is A is not null. So repeated. Str of M is it equal to pat of I? Str of M A, pat of I B. They are not same. If same, only I and M has to be increased. Now they are not same. You have to copy the character at C to result. How to copy? Answer of J equal to str of C. then you have to increase the value of j. Okay, first we will copy. How to copy? Ans of j is equal to str of c. Then j is incremented, j plus plus, c plus plus. But here I combined answer of j, then increase the value of j. From str of c, c is incremented by 1. Str of c from here to here. The source is str, destination is answer. Okay, str of c, c value 0, a is copied to this place. Then j is incremented, c is incremented. J is incremented, C is incremented. Then you set the value of M to C, M equal to C, both are same. I is set to 0, I was here, bring back by one place. I is 0, J is incremented by 1, C is incremented by 1. This is the value for the next iteration. Repeat. While str of C is not equal to null, str of C character is A. Is it null? No. Then this character is compared with pattern character. Str of M A, pat of I A. A and A are compared. If so, I is incremented by 1, M is also incremented by 1. M is incremented, I is incremented. I is incremented, M is incremented. Okay. Check the next character. Next character at pattern pointed by I is not null. Is it null? Next character is B, which is not null. So repeat this part. Repeat. This is false. Okay. Repeat. Str of C. C is 1. Character in that place is A, which is not null. Repeat. Okay. Str of M and pat of I are compared. Pat of I, B. Str of M, A. A and B are compared. They are not same. If not same, then str of C is copied to answer of J. So to this place, character from this C is copied A. Okay. Then J is incremented. Then C is incremented. C is incremented. C is now 2. I is set to 0. I is set to 0. This is the value for the next iteration. Okay. Repeat. Character at C is equal to null. A is not null. A is not null. This part is not null. This character is not null. So repeat. Str of M is it equal to pat of I. Str of M A. Is it equal to pat of I. Pat of I is also A. Str of C is also. Str of M is also A. A and A are same. A of str, A of pat are same. If so, increase the value of I and M. I is incremented, M is incremented, I is increased by 1, M is also increased. Okay. It checks whether the next character is null or not. Pat of I, B. This is not null. So repeat. Repeat. The statement repeat means comes here only. While of str of C is 2, that is A. A is not null, so repeat. Str of M, the character B, is it equal to pat of I, B. This B are compared. If both are same, increase the value of I and M. I is incremented, M is also incremented. I is now 2, M is now 4. Okay. Checks the next character. Is it null or not? The next character at pat is C, which is not null. Repeated. Repeated. It comes, if it is true only this part, so it comes to while again. This part was true, so this part is ignored. This part is true, but this is false. The next iteration, character at C is equal to null. Character at C is A. A is not null. It is repeated. Now, character at str, mth character of str, ith character of pattern are compared. C and C are compared. C and C are same. M and I are increased by 1. M is pointing to the next character. I is pointing to the next character. I is now 3. M is now 5. Okay. The next character, is it null? Whether we encountered the last character of the pattern, that is for that to do that, this line is required. Yes, we encountered next character. So you have to stop this process temporarily. Set flag equal to 1, indicating that pattern found. Reset the value of k. K is anyway it is 0 only. No difference. K equal to 0. Okay. Till the last character of the replacement string, copy everything. Replacement string, the character P, is it equal to null? It is not null. So you copy that character, repeat it. The kth character of REP copy to jth place of answer. This is the jth place. Copy that character. Which character? P. Then J is increased by 1. J is increased by 1. J is now 3. C is also increased. C is now this one. C is now this one. Sorry. J is increased. REP is also increased. Okay. REP is increased. K is increased. K is now 1. Copy this character Q to this place. Q to this place. Repeatedly, this should happen till you encounter null character. Okay. K is now 1. After copying J, J should be increased. J is now 4. Okay. J is now 4 and K is now pointing to this one. The next character is null. Stop this process. Once this process is stopped, why it is stopped? Because REP of K is pointing to 2. That place character is null. Both are null. The process is over. Copying of this is over. So set I equal to 0. I equal to 0. I am bringing that I to this place. I equal to 0. C equal to M. M was here. You bring that C to this place. That means we have considered these many characters. That is the meaning. Now compare these characters. That is why you have to jump C to this last part of that pattern. The next character is pointing. C equal to M. M equal to 5. So C is also 5. C is also 5. C is also 5. I is set to 0. Okay. So we will go for the next iteration. Character at C. C is 5. Character that place B. Is it null? No. Then mth character of str, ith character of pattern are compared. B and A are compared. They are not same. This false. This part is false. Copy this B to here. What to copy? Str of C. C is 5. Character in that place is B. B should be copied to jth place B. J is incremented by 1. J is now 5. C is also increased. C is increased. It is now pointing to 6. I is set to 0. I is 0 only. Repeated. Okay. This also considered. Next, M equal to C. M equal to C. C is advanced. Now bring that M to this place. Okay. That is this line. Repeated. Cth character B. Is it null? No. Compare mth character of str and ith character of pattern. Mth character is B, ith character is A. A and B are not same. This is false. Copy that character B to the result. How to copy? Answer of J equal to str of C. Then J should be increased, C should be increased. Now B is going to copy. After that, increase the value of C. C is now 7. Then J is also increased. J is pointing to the next place. J is now 6. After that, set M equal to C. M equal to C. This is the way. I is set to 0. I is 0 only. No. Repeat it. Cth character of str, C. Is it null? No. Cth character m, str of m, mth character of str, C. Is it equal to ith character of pattern? A and C are same? No. This is false. Then copy this C to the result. How to copy? Answer of j equal to str of C. Then you have to increase the value of C and j. First I am going to get the character of C. Character str, that is C. Okay. C is taken now. C is copied. C is increased. C++. J is also increased. J++. Okay. J++. It is now pointing to 7. C is now pointing to 8. Then m equal to C. Change the value of m. Then I equal to 0. I is 0 only. Repeat. Cth character of str, is it null? D, is it null? No. Then mth character of str, D. Ith character of pattern, A. D and A are checked. A and D are not same. Whole thing is false. Copy this D to the result. How to copy? Answer of J here. Get it from str of C. Str of C is D. Copied. Then C is increased. J is increased by 1 place. J is now 8. C is now 9. Then M equal to C. M equal to C. This also finishes. Okay. The next repetition. Cth character of str, A. Is it null? No. Then A and A are compared. Yes, they are same. Mth character of str, A. Ith character of pattern, A, are same. I is increased by 1 place. Then M is increased by 1 place. M is now 10. Earlier because of that was 9. Okay. Then I plus plus I is now 1. Clear? Then the next character is checked. The next character at pattern, is it null? It is not null. So repeated. Character at C, A, is not null. Str of M, null. Is it equal to pattern B? Null, is it equal to B? No. The whole part is now ignored. Copy that character. Which character? Character at C to the result A. Then increase the value of J. J is now pointing. C is also pointing to the next. M equal to C. M equal to C. M equal to C. C is 10. After incrementing, M equal to C, both are same. I equal to 0. Bring that I to the previous place. I equal to 0. I equal to 0. Repeat. Str of C, is it null? Yes. If null, copy null character at jth place. Okay. Return flag. Flag value is 1. This indicates that string found. This is how the simplest pattern matching algorithm works.